Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a router using an Ethernet cable. First, ensure both your printer and router are powered off for safety. Next, locate the Ethernet port on your printer, which is typically a rectangular opening on the back. Then, find an available Ethernet port on your router, usually one of several labeled LAN ports. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure setup process. Now, let's make the physical connection. Take one end of your Ethernet cable and carefully insert it into the Ethernet port on your printer. You should feel and hear a small click, indicating it's securely in place. Then, take the other end of the cable and plug it into the available Ethernet port on your router. Again, listen for that reassuring click to confirm a solid connection on both devices. With the cable connected, it's time to power up your devices. Always turn on your router first and give it a minute or two to fully boot up and establish its network. Once the router is ready, power on your printer. Observe the network indicator lights on both devices. They should show a steady green or amber light, indicating a successful physical connection and network activity. This step is crucial for proper communication. Finally, let's verify your connection and get printing. Access your printer's menu to find its assigned IP address, which confirms it's on the network. On your computer, go to your printer settings and add a new printer, selecting the option to add a network printer using its IP address. Once added, print a test page to ensure everything is working perfectly. You are now ready to print wirelessly from any connected device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.